Hmm. Good evening, everyone. Myself, Jeevan from SHN. So I will be explaining the mini ATC language of the ATC assignment one. So here is the first level programming. So that is so here is the code. In this code, this is the identifier recognition code explanation. In this code, it checks the whether a given string is a valid or a identifier or not. The function checks the identifier's name and created the validation. First, the program stores all the variables, and the condition checks whether the first character of the input string is an alphabet or not. If not alphabet, the program immediately returns invalid identifier because identifier cannot start with the numbers or a specific or a special symbols. Next, the program users follow for loop to check the remaining character one by one. If any character is the not an alphabet or a digit, the identifier becomes invalid. Otherwise, the string is accepted as the valid identifier. Finally, the test inputs such as the x total and the sum to are checked, and the result is displayed using a loop print statement. So, in this, you can see the output now. Yeah, here is the output. So X is the valid identifier because it is the letter, and the total also valid identifiers. Sum two also valid identifiers. So here invalid identifiers is 1 and X. It has a X. X means it is not X, sorry, multiply symbol. So it is invalid identifiers. Next AB dash is there. So it is the invalid symbol. Next is a dollar B. Dollar is a invalid because the symbol are not used. And one, two, three invalid because they did not include the numbers. So next we can see the so now we can see the level 2, here we use the keyword like begin and int print and the operation equals and the delimiters like apostrophe s, brackets and inverted commas, etc. like that. So in the level 2, the program acts as the simple Lexel analyzer. The code first defines the list of keywords that I said now only, operators and delimiters. The function lexical analyzer reads the mini ATC program, that it is this program, and it takes into the tokens. Spaces, tabs, and the new line characters are used to split the work, while the symbols like and brackets, close bracket, open bracket are treated as the delimiters. After that, the tokens separates the program identifier and the type of a tokens. If the token matches the keyword, such as the begin, end, int, or a print, it is displayed as the there. You can see you can display it as the here this one. And any token that does not satisfy this condition is marked as invalid. Finally, the lexical analyzer process the mini ATC sample program and display all the generated tokens with their different types. So here you can see the output now. Uh, so I will be showing the all the code. So here is the code. The tokens are the begin int x uh, equals x 10 print open bracket into close bracket semicolon, here also semicolon, here also semicolon. Semicolons are data delimiters, and the operators numbers we can see the what are the types of the tokens, and end is also the keyword. So we have work in our friend Jayankar laptop. So I displayed the video of his and I am explaining this. So he is also my team. So next is the level 3 program. Here we can see the level 3 programming. That is all the code, diff, elixir, program tokens, and the words. If the CH is program is plus if the word tokens append word equals inverted commas. So in level 3 combines the both the lexical analysis and the phrasing. The first part of the code is the Linuxer, which converts the mini ATC source program into the tokens that separates the keywords, operators, and identifiers numbers. The second part is the pacer. So here you can see the pacer. Is a pacer implemented using the pacer classes. The pacer checks whether the sequence of the token follows the grammar rules or not. So in this, we mainly design the PDA diagram. Okay, so that matches the function various whether the expected tokens is present or not, and the statements function valid the declaration, print statements, and the assignment statements. The expressions, terms, and the factor function are used to validate the arithmetic expressions according to the CFG. So if all the statement follows the rules and correct the syntax, the pacer display successfully with a mini ATC program. Otherwise, the syntax error are reported. So here is the code terms and the factors. So now I will be uh, showing the output. So here is the output. It generates the tokens like pursuing the successfully the valid mini ATC program. So now is the begin int x semicolon int y. These are all the generated tokens with the pursuing successfully valid mini ATC. So thank you.